Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Mailparser for converting inquiries into CRM records. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Mailparser for converting inquiries into CRM records, start by visiting the Mailparser website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Log in to your Mailparser account. Once logged in, click on the Create a New Parser button. Select the option to parse emails. Set up the email forwarder by copying the generated email address. Go to your email client and set up a forwarding rule to send incoming inquiries to the Mailparser email address. Return to the Mailparser dashboard and click on your new parser. Next, you'll see options to set parsing rules. Click on the Parsing Rules tab. Begin highlighting the data fields you wish to extract from the sample email. Mailparser will generate extraction rules based on your selections. Test the parsing rules by sending a sample inquiry email to the Mailparser email address. Check the Mailparser dashboard to see if the data appears correctly. Once you are satisfied with the data extraction, proceed to the next step. Connect Mailparser to your CRM. Locate the Integrations section in the Mailparser dashboard. Select your CRM from the list of available integrations. Follow the prompts to authenticate the connection between Mailparser and your CRM. Map the extracted fields from Mailparser to the corresponding fields in your CRM. Review your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Save the integration settings. Finally, send a few test inquiries to ensure that the data is being captured and sent to your CRM effectively. You've now successfully activated Mailparser for converting inquiries into CRM records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.